Welcome to Target Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make an if statement in Java. So open up your IDE and you should have some projects over here. In the previous tutorial I made a Tut project and I made a hello world.java. I'm just going to close that out and I'm going to right click, add new file, and I'm going to be showing you if statements. I'm going to call it if st like that. Standard practice, well, the only way you can go about it, public class if statement. If you don't understand what I'm doing right now, I suggest you go to my Hello World tutorial and you can find some more information about what I'm doing right now and what the setup is. Okay, so an if statement, it checks to see if something is true or false, or a Boolean statement. So I'm going to have two ints. So int a, it'll equal 5, and then int b will equal, let's make it 10. All right, so we're going to check and see which one of these numbers is which number is less than 6. We'll do that. So we're going to make an if statement. An if statement will look at the 2 and it will turn, it won't return anything. It'll give you a Boolean value of which one is true or false. So I'm going to be using the integer a variable here. So if int a, which is 5, if this is less than or equal to, actually we're just going to make it less than 6. So this is a operator right here, a little caret sign here. I will say that this is greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or if you want, if they're equal, if it's equal to 6, you do double equal equal, or whatever I just said. So we're going to be using a less than 6. So if a is less than 6, then we're going to print out a custom success message. Yes, a is less than 6. Alright, so with an if statement, there's always, there's not always, but there is majority of the time an else statement. An else statement is executed if this if statement isn't correct. So if a is greater than 6, then it will execute this else statement. So we're going to say system.out.println, no, the a var is not less than 6. Alright. So we are going to run this. Actually, I'm going to first build it. Alright, so process complete. And it's a standard practice. You just go in here and build file. And then you don't want to click run project, or it's going to run everything in your workspace or whatever you call it. So just click run a file here, not run project. And you will see here that yes, a is less than 6. So if we change a to 6 and we run it, no, the var is not less than 6. So it cuts off at 6. So if it's 6 and no, but we can capture the 6 if we put a less than or equal to sign there. So that's the basic format of how an if statement works. They can be complex. You can embed if statements within if statements as many times as you want. And another thing to be said is you don't always need brackets if you just have a single statement right here. So if I were to just put another line here, like if this were like a method, this would be incorrect. You'd have to put brackets around this saying that this block of code, but underneath the if statement, is going to be executed if this is true. So if you just have one line here, then you don't have to worry about anything. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I'm going to have some additional tutorials after this one for loops.